Oh, hey, how's it going? Still hanging out. Appreciate it. Kiddos. I didn't know you had kiddos. Walk the doggo. What's the railing used here? Where? This one? I think it came with the castle. Yeah, it came with the Lion Knight stuff. Oh, good point. I should have connected to this one. Except it doesn't work. Also, there's this weird part. Why does it do that? Oh, because there's a single plate difference. Oh, that's stinky. I was wondering if we could have a different, because this one's a little bit steeper. Crikey flipped the ride. Greggy, join the train. Join the yeah. Do they all join? Oh. Oh. She's scared of cold. Are you cold? Oh, you're cold. Uh-oh. Increases resistance to cold temperatures. Oh, what the heck? Let me look at making some charms. Is there a... Wait, is there a... Oh yeah, just use the torch. Hold the torch, and then you won't be cold. You can put it in your right or left hand, your offhand.